Hello, teacher.
Hello, Nam Nam Nam. Hold on, baby. It's not about or on, right? No, hold on.
Today, tomorrow is Christmas. That right?
Yes, it's Christmas is coming. Children are in to watch. My other student is asking me to help her in her English assignment.
I have one song.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
For the class.
Now, okay. Now, okay.
No, baby, later after the class, okay?
Uh,
Hold on, baby, hold on. There are
okay.
there are many questions. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're done with lesson. We're done with listening.
Yeah.
I can't forget. I don't forget. I cannot forget the listening. Oh my God! Again, you always tell me that again.
Yeah. I don't like listening.
Why? Why?
I don't know
Hi, sorry, baby. How
because the writing, and writing.
2.75. Hold on, baby. There are many questions. 2.75 plus 0.75 plus 0.232. Okay. So it's 2. Okay, that's correct. So, so hold on, baby. Hold on, baby, yeah. Hold on, baby. Give me 1 minute.
Yeah. I have many homework today.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start our lesson.
Okay.
So we're done with I downloaded the Unit 20B, baby, earlier. So unit, I'll put unit 20.
But it's not listening.
Yes, that's are you happy? It's not,
Yes. It is listening,
no, it's,
reading, speaking, writing. What?
no, she left earlier. Okay.
Okay.
What are you going to do this Christmas, baby? It's reading, baby. Yes. Do you like reading?
Yeah. I like reading. I
Okay.
like,
No, listening.
but I don't like listening.
Okay. Look and read. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. So you know how to do the annotate, right?
Right.
There is one example. This is the ninth letter of the alphabet. What is the ninth letter of the alphabet?
I.
It's letter
I.
I.
Letter I.
Okay. Questions 1 to 6. Can you answer it all by yourself, baby?
I read it.
Read it and then answer it.
Yeah. This on the day of the weekend. Weekend. Monday.
No, baby, weekend. What do you mean by weekend?
Weekend. Uh.
Days of the
Ah.
weekend.
Saturday.
And there are two.
Saturday.
And
Yeah.
Friday, baby. Saturday and Friday. Okay.
Why? I read the Saturday.
Yes, Saturday. Yes, that's correct also. But Friday is the last day of the weekends.
Yeah.
Weekday, it's a weekend also, okay?
Yeah.
This okay,
This
number
let
2, baby.
this the letter before it is the elephant. Hmm. G. G. G.
Okay, baby, read it first.
Yeah. I read it. This the elephant letter of the H is the elephant. Nine. No, G. I think nine.
Okay.
This
Fifth
the
letter of the
15
alphabet.
15 level of the 11 X
Fifth letter of
X
the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E.
X
E, baby.
E E ah E I know the 15.
E.
I think
Four, number
15.
4.
This is the day between Saturday and Tuesday. Wednesday.
This is the day between Saturday
Wednesday.
and Tuesday.
No. Monday.
Yes. Why
This
are you
letter
mad? Are you mad?
this letter near the end
Here,
of
baby.
the
This letter is near.
end of the what is next?
Alphabet. This letter is near the end of the alphabet.
X.
Yes.
Easy.
And
This
lastly,
is the day before Thursday. Wednesday.
yes. You like reading, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Next, part 2.
They are
Look and read. Right? Yes or no. There are example. There are two fish. Baby, not fish. Fishes. Because
fishes.
fishes flying above
Fishes.
the river. Oh, there are two fishes flying around the river.
Yeah.
Yes, where are the this one? The fishes have
Yeah. I
wings.
know it.
Okay. One of the
You
spiders.
the fish hat is fly to the animal attack you attack the fish tag and fish tag is run eh, to the river fly. Okay. Okay, teacher.
Okay, number next. One of the spiders
Has got three black legs and five red legs. Not is not a scared spider. Are you scared spider?
Uh, yes.
Why?
I don't
Because
like. I don't like the legs.
you don't like the legs of the spider. That right?
Yes. Okay. Okay, baby. Can you tell me yes or no?
The monkey has curly tail. No, it isn't. No, 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 no. It's no. It's no. Number one is no.
Okay.
No.
Yes.
Why? I can see. I can't see. Why?
The
Why?
monkeys have curly tails. Yes, it's curly.
No, I feel it's not curly. The yellow flowers are taller than the man. Yes! Yes, 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 yes,
Number one, number two, baby.
yes, yes, yes,
The yellow flowers are taller
yes.
than man. Yes.
There is a spider on the man's shoulder. Yes.
Okay. There is a spider on man's shoulder.
Are you
Baby,
tired? Are you tired on the Zalo
I baby, I am chat.
with
Hold on.
your friend?
Because look, the admin in Pantado, because they are asking me what day am I going to have a vacation, because I will be having a vacation because it's Christmas. So they are texting me, are you like that, are you like that? I told them I am having class. Don't message me. Okay, so number three, baby. Sorry. Okay, I will be focused. Number
Yes.
three,
It
there
is.
is
Yes. Yes.
baby. Read it first before
Oh,
answer it.
I read it. I read it.
Again.
Again, there's a spider on the man's shoulder.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, number four.
The girl I'm a friend of a younger. Not. Not.
No.
Yeah. I read the not.
Number five.
One of the girl be went because it's raining. No. No.
Because it's not raining.
One of the girl is drinking a glasses of water. Yeah.
A glass of water. No.
Not right.
Maybe she is drinking milk or juice.
Ah! Oh my!
Yeah, I told you. But maybe you are also correct. It might be a water because we cannot see it. It's just a bottle, right? So
Yeah.
you might be correct. Okay, read the text and choose the best answer.
For example, can you read?
Are you the teacher?
No?
Okay, can you read now? You how can you follow teacher, or you repeat what teacher says? Can you read? Okay, now go.
Hello, Jan.
Okay.
Hello, Aunt. You?
So the respond will be hello, Aunt Jill. So that's correct. Question one. Can you read it?
Yeah, it is me tired and me can read.
No, both of you. You are Aunt Jill and Pita, so that you will know the answer.
Yeah. Where are you going? Uh, To the friend house.
To my friend's house.
To my friend's house.
Okay. Next.
It is their birthday party. Yes. It is. Yes. John is
16.
16.
Okay.
Did you read some new clothes? Yes. I need some. Yes. I need some.
I needed some.
I needed some. I like your hair. Thank you.
It's my brother's.
No. I wash them.
Yes. Not thank you. It's my brother's. The hair is your brother's hair. Thank you, mom. Did it? Yes, that's also correct, baby. Number A and C are also are the
No.
correct, baby.
It is.
Maybe,
Shall I take?
maybe, maybe mom cut the hair. That's why Aunt Jill told Peter, "I like your hair." Mom did it. Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shall I take you to the party? Yes. Yeah. I want it. No, no, please. I. Yes, please.
Maybe you are like this. Maybe I will describe you. Aunt Jill, shall I take you to the party? Yes, I want it. No, no, no. Yes, please. You answer too. You are.
Have
No.
a nice time. Yes. Have a nice time. Thank you.
Hmm, okay. Not it's raining.
Not.
Okay. Read the story. Choose a word from the box. So the choices are
No.
the picture. Three choices. Okay.
A very famous man
Famous.
is Osbert me. His name
Opposite me.
Mr. Blank. What?
Opposite me.
Uh, uh, Osbert me.
Opposite, baby.
Opposite
Opposite me.
me. His name is Mr. Bank. His house has 10 bedrooms. Oh my god.
How are you going to get
Many.
10 bedrooms, baby?
I don't have. You have?
No, we only have what?
Hotel.
We only have,
Hotel.
it's a hotel. Yes, it's a hotel.
And a beautiful garden.
Wow.
He look
Wow.
for different cars and he find to work in the helicopter.
What's your answer
Helicopter.
number one?
It is look.
No,
No.
the choices are man, doctor, drives. Road.
The road.
He looked. No,
Road.
no, no,
Road.
no. He
Look.
no.
Uh, that. No,
Drive.
no, no.
Maybe he drives.
Driver.
Look, he drives four different cars.
I don't think so.
And he flies.
Uh, he has party every Saturday. Um, Saturday,
Saturday, what? Evening?
uh,
Every
sleep
Saturday evening.
evening. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
He
He
plays
plays the piano and dance.
and
Dance.
dances, baby.
Dance. To music, his friend with his friend. My family isn't famous and don't have a big house, but Mr. Bang often come to see us. Last Tuesday morning, I um what is
I look.
ew, oh my god, I saw it
It's okay, baby. You're going to reread it later.
out of a window. There was not a snow outside. I went downstairs to have breakfast. in kitchen. Mom and Dad were there. Oh my God, Mr. Bang have mom and dad?
Yes. Of
Why?
course he has. Even though he is old, he has still parents. Like me,
Uh,
baby. I
but
am 40 years old and yet my mom is still alive, but my daddy is dead already.
oh my. But Mr. Bang is old, and mom and dad with Mr. Bang is very very old.
Who told you that?
Who
Okay, let's
died?
continue.
Who died first? Mr. Bang wants to hello and said, I can't go to school today. Oh, why? Mr. Bang go to school?
Maybe Mr. Bank is still young, baby.
Very
Yeah.
is 10, 11 years old?
I don't know. Let's find out. He has 10 bedroom eh.
I don't know.
Okay.
Why he have garden and 10 bedroom?
Oh my
My
god,
question.
10 bedrooms. Oh my goodness. Okay, baby, can you read it
There's
again?
snow on the our road. I take I can take you to school in my helicopter. Jim, would you like
Helicopter.
to do that? Wow, I said, yes, please.
Okay, let's
Okay.
read him again, baby. A very famous man lives opposite me.
I'm tired for this. Read.
You like reading, ah? You like reading, remember?
Yes, but I tired today.
Okay, I will read it for you.
Because my school is for find the party.
Okay, I will read it for you, baby, okay?
Okay.
A very famous man lives opposite me. What do you mean by opposite? For example, this is your house, opposite house near you. All right? Oh,
Right.
okay. His name is Mr. Banks. His house has 10 bedrooms and a beautiful garden. Baby, he is describing the house of Mr. Banks. He drives 4 different cars and he flies to work in a helicopter. Oh my god! He is going to work by helicopter. He has parties every Saturday evening. He plays the piano and dances to music with his friends. My family isn't famous and don't have a big house, but Mr. Banks often comes to see us. Last Tuesday morning, I looked out of my window. There was lots of snow outside. I went downstairs to have my breakfast. In the kitchen, mom and dad were there. Mom and dad were there, Mr. Banks too. So you are correct. Mr. Bank is already old. He is friends by my mom. He was a friend by mom and dad of the one talking, right?
Right.
Oh, I said I can't go to school today. There's a snow on all the roads. Wow, I can take you in my helicopter, Jim. Wow, would you like to do that? Wow, I said yes, please. Wow, I want to. Do you want to ride on a helicopter or do you want to fly on a
I like it.
Okay, so Jim is the one talking. So
To
you
the helicopter.
yes. So now choose the best name for the story.
Ay.
A
Heli-
helicopter ride. Yay!
don't. Yes.
That's huh? You will guess again? Okay, baby. Look at the pictures and read the story.
Ah.
Write words to complete the sentences about the story.
Okay.
One, two, or three. My birthday party. Okay, go, baby.
My name is Petty. It is my birthday last week. On
Weekend,
Friday.
baby. It was
What?
my birthday last weekend.
Yeah. On Friday, I phoned some of the friends. Hello, Jan. I
Jen,
said. What? Would you like to come to my party of the Sunday
On Saturday evening?
evening? Sorry, Betty, he said. I can't. I we got
But
bad
I've got bad toothache.
toothache. Then I phoned John. He said, "No, sorry. I played football yesterday and I hurt my leg."
Oh, no visitor.
Funny, funny.
Okay, examples. Betty's birthday was last weekend. On Friday, she phoned some friends to invite them to a party. Now, John couldn't go to the party because she had John or Jane. This is Jane.
Jane.
Couldn't go to the party because she had
She had what do you mean?
bad
She had toothache
bad toothache. Yes. John couldn't go because he hurt his leg in a
in the football game.
yes. Okay. Ben couldn't come because next, my dad on Saturday I phoned Ben. Can you read it?
On Saturday, I born friend. I born Ben. He has said, "I'm sorry, my dad has work on Sunday. He can't drive me to your house." Then I phoned Kim. "No, I'm sorry," he said. "I'm with my cousin that day." I started to cry and want to friends with me on the birthday. Mom said, "Don't be sad. Grandma and Grandpa can come here that evening."
The Ben couldn't come because
Uh, Dad, Dad, Dad had to work.
okay.
Last week, cousin that been phone is called
Okay.
visit.
Kim. Last person that Betty phoned is called Kim. Betty started crying because her
Her grandma and grandpa not come.
friends. Oh, this is sad. Betty's blank could go to her big house that day. Okay, let's read it. Betty
Oh my god.
couldn't come because his dad had to work. Oh, the last person that Betty phoned is called Kim. Betty started crying because her friends couldn't be with her on her birthday. Oh, Betty's
You
grandparents
sad?
would go to her house that day. Of
You
course,
sad?
I will be sad because no one can come on my birthday.
Yeah, I sad too.
You will be sad too. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Again, again, again. I try for this. On Sunday evening, it was uh, happy, but I went to my bedroom and put on the party dress. Then I went outside to the garden and all my friends were there. We laughed. Then they have me nice yellow kite. I was very surprised. My parents were there too, and Kim Brown, her cousin. We danced a lot and they the sang. Happy birthday to me. It was great. Many questions. It's many reads.
Okay, Betty put on her
Uh, dress, dress,
party dress in
and
her bedroom. Next. All
of
the friends were in.
garden.
Betty's friends gave her.
A nice yellow kite.
Wow. And lastly, Kim came with
A fan.
her cousin.
Oh my, I love it.
And they all sang happy birthday. Okay. Read the text, baby. You're going to answer. These are the choices, okay? You like reading, remember?
Yes,
Crocodiles live in rivers.
but many and I don't like
But
many.
you have to because we're practicing the reading, okay?
Yes,
Okay, crocodiles live in rivers, in jungles. So the answer is in. Number next, blank people.
crocodiles live in a river in a jungle. Mm, many people are afraid of crocodile. They eat fish, birds, animals, uh, and sometimes people. They do not eat very often, but they eat a lot. Crocodiles have a sharp neck, but they can no must run quicker than a man. They teeth up because than a uh more two children hand, but they can children hand.
Okay, childs.
Child. Crocodile come from the eggs. The mother cow her baby to the water in her mouth. Here they learn to swimming. Baby crocodile does not have teeth, so we can pick.
Do not have. Baby crocodiles, baby. Do crocodiles many. So you are going to do, okay?
Yes,
Croc
not have teeth, so you can pick up them and carry them for
okay.
here.
Read it, baby. Crocodiles live in rivers, in jungles. Many people are afraid of crocodiles. They eat fish, birds, animals, and sometimes people. They do
You
not
scare?
eat very often, but they eat a lot.
You scare?
Yes, crocodiles have very short legs, but they can run quicker than a.
But baby is not.
No, crocodiles are. I am scary. Scared. They're
But you don't. But you don't scare baby crocodile.
I am.
What?
I am scared.
You
Their teeth are
are
bigger than a small
children.
child's hand. Oh my god. Crocodiles come from eggs. The mother carries her babies to the water in her mouth. Here they learn to swim. Baby crocodiles do not have teeth, so you can pick them up and carry them in your hand. I don't like. Oh, you're prepare your song, baby.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. Goodbye.
songs.
The song with me. The song is with here.
What's that song, baby?
Yeah. And here.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Oh, where is it? I like I'm Gonna Lose You. And okay, it's not yet downloading. Maybe I can't download the Until You.
Why?
I don't know, baby. Oh my God, Salo is not responding.
Your internet.
No, baby, I have a good internet today. Look, this one only.
I found myself dreaming in silver and gold, like a scene from a movie that every broken heart knows. We were walking on moonlight, and you pulled me close. Split second and you disappeared, and then I was all alone. I woke up in tears with you by my side, breath of relief, and I realized no, we're not promised tomorrow. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like I'm saying goodbye. Wherever we're standing, I won't take you for granted, 'cause we'll never know it when we're all out of time. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you.
In the blink of an eye, just a whisper of smoke, you could lose everything. The truth is you never know. So I'll kiss you longer, babe. Any chance that I get, I'll make the most of the minutes alone with no regrets. Let's take our time to say what we want, use what we got before it's all gone. 'Cause no, we're not promised tomorrow. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like I'm saying goodbye. Wherever we're standing, I won't take you for granted, 'cause we'll never know it when
The other song is not
Hold
two
on, baby.
songs.
Hold on, baby. I am downloading it. Give me 1 minute. There's a problem with my Gallo.
Okay.
Okay, let me download it again. Baby, can you download it again? Baby, can you send it again? Because there's
What?
a problem. I think you cannot say you did not send it.
Wait me, I will download again.
Yes, baby. Oh my God, there's a problem in Salo, baby. Salo is not
Okay.
responding. Okay, can you send it again, baby?
Yeah, I shall download again.
Okay, I will wait.
The fly is many to hear. The fly
Baby,
is okay. It's not,
baby, I
teacher.
cannot. I cannot save it.
Oh, okay. We stop to hear. Oh, that right?
Okay, we'll stop here and then see you again next week, baby, because my vacation starts tomorrow. Okay, because it's
Uh,
month.
I don't have learn to the
On Friday, baby.
Friday. I don't learn.
Yes, because it's our vacation. All Filipino teachers will not teach on Friday, okay?
You don't learn.
We don't learn. I will message you one by one on Zalo, okay?
Okay, we don't learn.
Yeah. Bye-bye, baby.
Bye. See you.
See you.